Am I audible to all you? So in this class, we are going to discuss about excitation table for JK. As you can see, the truth table of JK Privilov. Okay. So basically, we need this excitation table for conversion of one Privilov to other Privilov. For example, we have SR, JK, D, and T flip-flops. Okay, so convert SR to JK, JK to D, and D to T flip-flop. We need such a type of table, and this table is called as excitation table. Okay, so in this class we are going to uh, design excitation table for JK flip-flop. Now see, in JK flip-flop we have two inputs J and K. J and K. And inputs are we have four combinations 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, and 1 0. So these four combinations we have used to find present state and next state of JK flip-flop. Okay, as we not required present state of the JK flip-flop circuit, but we must get idea about required output, that is a next state. So we are dealing with next state of JK flip-flop. Now, as we don't need present state, so we have to consider present state is a don't care for JK flip-flop truth table. Okay. Now, and the next state of JK flip-flop are if J0 K0 is there, then Qn is a output of your next state. If J equal to 0 and K is equal to 0 is there. If J equal to 0, K equal to 1, then next state is 0. You can see this 0. Okay. Now your JK is in a reset state. Okay. Reset state. When J1 K0 is there, circuit is in a set state. Okay. Circuit is in a set state. And if J equal to 1, K equal to 1, circuit having output, that is a complement of your output Qn bar. Okay, and we have seen this state is a toggle state of JK flip-flop. Okay, now our objective is that we have to design excitation table for JK flip-flop. Now To design the excitation table, we have to consider outputs of JK flip-flop. So there are two outputs, present state and next state. Okay. And from that outputs, we have to identify or determine the JK inputs. Okay. Now, for the excitation table, always we have to consider two that are present state and next state. State and next state. Okay, Qn and Qn plus 1. Now, you can see this table. This table having two inputs, Qn and Qn plus 1. And this is the present state and next state of JK flip-flop. Now, present state and next state, these are inputs for excitation table, and we are going to identify J input and K input. Okay. Now, what is the procedure to identify J input and K input for JK flip-flop excitation table? Okay. Now, first of all, you can see present input is a don't care. Sorry, present state is a don't care. Don't care means either it may be 0 or 1. Okay. Now see what I am writing here. This is the don't care which has two value. This 0 is there and 1 is there. Okay. So for combination of j equal to 0, k equal to 0, qn present state equal to don't care means it may have 0 value or 1 value when j equal to 0, k equal to 0 is there. Okay, this is the first condition. Next, j equal to 0, k equal to 1. Then again we have two values for this don't care, that is a 0, 1. For 1, 0, again two values, don't care 0, 1. And for 1, 1, again two values 0 and 1. Okay. So these are predicted values of present state. Okay. So we have written that are 0, 1, 0, 1 that are don't care values for present state. Okay. Now we will refer output next state, that is a qn plus 1. Now qn plus 1 is the next state. Okay. So in this case we are not considering the complement. Just we have to take normal variables qn and qn plus 1. Okay. Now see, when j equal to 0, k 0, then next state is equal to qn. Okay, next state is equal to qn. So qn means what? It is a present output, or you can say previous value, or next state will be same as that of present state. Okay, so in this case, if 0 is there, the next state is 0. If 1 is there, next is also 1. Okay, so the output value at present state will be the value for your next state. Okay, now for this qn we are getting what? We are getting two values 0 and 1. If present is 0, then next is also 0. If present is 1, next is also 1. So this is about first case, j equal to 0, k equal to 0. Now for the next output or next state, This is the when j equal to 0, k equal to 1. Okay. Now output we are getting 0 here. That is next state output is a 0. So present state may be your 0, it may be your 1, but we are getting always output 0. So it means that flip flop in a reset condition. Okay. So I am writing here key when present state 0, next state 0, then we have next state is the 0 because we are just getting next state is equal to 0. This is about second condition. And third state or third condition, third combination, that is a 1 0. Okay. When don't care, present state is equal to 0 or 1, but flip flop gives 1 as output. That is a flip flop in a state condition. And if last combination, if j equal to 1, k equal to 1, then for jk flip flop, we have complement output. So present state is equal to 0, then complement output is the next state is a 1. And when present state is a 1, next state is the 0. Okay. So this is about truth table of jk flip flop. Now our interest is that key we need to find inputs for j and k. Now when you have written these values 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0. Okay. So next part is that we have to refer inputs for the excitation table. Now see qn and qn plus 1, these are now our inputs. Okay. So now we will take if qn is 0 and next state qn plus 1 is 0, what are the jk inputs are there? Now consider here 0 0. This is the present state, this is the next state. Okay. We have to take present state is equal to 0 and next state is equal to 0. Okay. So this occurs two times. See, for j equal to 0, k is equal to 0, we have qn 0, qn plus 1, 0. And if j is equal to 0, k equal to 1, then also we are getting present state qn 0, qn plus 1, 0. Okay. Now we will take these two combinations because at this combination qn 0, qn plus 0, these two combinations having two values, that is a j equal to 0 is there and k equal to 0 is there. Then j0 and k1 is there. Okay. Now if you look at the similarity and difference of these two combinations, so j is similar for all the combinations. Okay. When qn 0 and qn plus 1 0, but there is a difference in a k value. So first time k value is 0, second time it changes to the 1. Now instead of that 0 1, we will use the don't care. Okay. Now you can write here j equal to 0 in the excitation table. I am writing here j equal to 0 in the excitation table and k equal to don't care because k value is a changes. Okay. So instead of using 0 or 1, I am using the don't care for this combination. So in this case qn 0, qn plus 1 0, j equal to 0 and k equal to don't care. Okay. Now the first combination of excitation table is completed. Now we'll take the second combination. Second combination Qn0, Qn plus 1, 1, Qn0. Now we'll check from the truth table. Qn is a 0. See, Qn is a 0. I'm going to highlight this with the green color. Okay. And Qn plus 1 is a 1. Okay. Then second, we have this 0, 1. Okay. So when j equal to 1 and k equal to don't care, then we have present state 0 and next state 1. Next state 1. Okay. Now we will take the third combination. Present state is 1 and next state is a 0. So you can see this. This is the present state of 1 and next state 0. Also we have at the end present state 1 and next state 0. Then what are the inputs? J is equal to 0, j equal to 1 and k is equal to 1 0, 1 0, 1 0. Okay. J is equal to 0, k is equal to 1. Okay. Now in this case, take this example. J value having two values or j having two values, that is a don't care. So in this case j is a don't care and k is a having value 1. Okay. So in this case you can use j equal to don't care and k equal to 1. And last 1 1 in present state, you have to check how many times 1 1 combination will occur. Okay. But please remember, you have to take similar values or same rows values. You cannot combine diagonal values for the equation, right? So 1 1, present state 1, next state 1. We'll see the present state 1, where is the present state 1 and next state is 1. See, for the third combination, this is the third combination, right? For the third combination, 1 1 is there, as well as for the first combination, 1 is there. Okay. Now, what are the values? J equal to 0, k equal to also 0, j equal to 1 and k equal to 0. Again we have to check similarity. J value having don't care and k is a having same value or similar value, that is a 0. Now we can see j equal to don't care and k is equal to 0 value. Okay. So in this way we have designed excitation table of flip-flop. Okay. So now see, present state, next state, j input, k input. Present state 0 0, j 0, k don't care. 0 1, j 1, k don't care. 1 0, j don't care, k 1. 1 1, j don't care, k 0. So this is excitation table JK flip-flop.